Hello! Guys, I am a huge fan of bouncy voluminous curls and also I love a good 90s blowout. I've tried this hairstyle before at home, but I've only tried the heatless version. You know, I had bought this heatless curls kit, you know, with this band that you put on your head and you twist the hair around it. I will have a picture so you can see the one that I'm talking about. I'm sure that you've seen this before because it's literally trending everywhere. But this time I want to try something different because I don't always have the time and the patience to wait 8 or 10 hours for this blowout hairstyle. So I've seen many girls on Instagram using this brand called Mermaid, and I bought this interchangeable blow-dry brush. Actually, this specific one, it's a kit because it has 3 attachments. So we're gonna open it together. I haven't opened it yet. Also, they sent me these hair gems. So cute. Okay, so here we have the 3 attachments. So first one, we have this drying one. It helps you to dry the hair. We have this oval barrel, the bigger one, that helps to create a big bouncy blow dry. And the third one is this one. It's the curling barrel that helps to create curl and movement in the hair. Guys, I'm very excited, so let's try it together and I will give you my honest opinion of what I think of this product. So as you can see, my hair is still a little bit wet. I washed it earlier this morning. So first I will try this drying attachment. I want to see how strong it is because I have thick and long hair. So if it's not strong enough, it will not work for my hair very well. Okay, so here we have this release button. We just press it down and we just put the attachment on top. The blow dry brush is suitable for towel, dried, damp or dry hair. Don't use on soaking wet hair. Okay, so here we control the power. It says cool, low and high. The cool one is low heat, high power. The low is medium heat, low power. Best for thin or fine hair. And the hot is high heat, high power, best for thick hair. Okay, I wouldn't say that it's strong enough, and especially for my hair that it's long and thick, it will take me a lot of time. I think it will work better on shorter and thinner hair. Okay, next I'm gonna use this oval barrel, the bigger one. This will help us to create a big bouncy blow dry. Okay, I will divide my hair in sections. I look here because I have my mirror here. Just because I can use it and talk at the same time, I wanted to say that I really like that it has this grip here. It doesn't increase temperature, so you can hold it and twist it very easily. Okay guys, I love it. I'm so excited because I never thought that I could get a blow dryer like this at home, because trust me, I'm the worst at using a blow dryer and a hair curler at the same time. I'm the worst, but this brush can make it so easy for everyone. You can keep working on it, it will give you extra volume. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna use the last attachment, the curling one, and we're gonna create some curls to the hair. Okay, I will put a little bit of hairspray. So guys, here we have the final result. Guys, I'm very impressed. It looks even better than what I had in mind. I highly recommend this product. It works very well and it's super easy to use, even if you don't know how to do your hair like me. I would suggest you to buy this kit so you can have all 3 attachments, but you can also buy the oval barrel by itself. I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on all the platforms. I will have them linked in the description box as always, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.